Merhaba, my name is Ville and I'm one of your Blue guides here at TUI BLUE Pascha Bay. Once you arrive here, this is the first place that you're going to pop into. Here is our reception, open 24/7, and this is where you're going to get checked in. However, us Blue guides, we are absolutely looking forward to meeting you. So you'll be able to find us at our Blue Guide desk, which is located directly down by the pool bar. And we are here to help you with any questions you may have, or if you wish to go on any excursions, please let us know and we'll tell you our best recommendations. And when you get here, please don't forget to grab your welcome drink. Here we've got our lovely main pool, which is open every day from 8 AM till 7:30 PM. We also have an extension for the kids pool, and we have a baby pool out there. And on top of that, we've got a splash pool at our splash park. And don't you worry, all our sunbeds are free of charge, and you'll be able to exchange your pool towels directly at the towel station, which is located down by the spa. Fancy unleashing your inner child? Come down to our splash park, which is open from 10 to 12 and from 2 to 5. And did you know that we've got lifeguards across all our pool and beach facilities? And we have just arrived at our main restaurant, which is located right across the main pool area. Our breakfast is always served from 7 AM and lunchtime is from 12:30 PM, and our dinner time starts at 6:30 in the evening. Should you have any special dietary requirements, please contact one of our staff members and they are more than happy to show you around what options there are for you. And on Mondays, we actually have our most popular theme night of the week, which is also my own personal one, and that is called Turkish Night. So please don't miss out on that one. We have got two a la carte restaurants, Taverna and Grin and Grill, and they are side by side as you go down to the beach. As a part of your stay, you can have one meal for free at Taverna restaurant. It serves local cuisine, and you may book through BLUEf or our public relations team. It's open 6 days a week from 6:30 PM to 9 PM. At this hotel, we've got several different types of rooms, and all of them have either a balcony or a terrace. And some of them might even have a sea view or a pool view. But right now, we're gonna go check out one of our family rooms, so let's pop in. In this family room, you've got a bathroom with the handy walk-in shower, and right over here in the wardrobe, you can store all your best holiday outfits during your stay. And moving on to our lounge area, we've got this small kitchenette, you've got the telly, the fridge, and also you have the possibility to make coffee and tea. And right out here, you've got the beds, and you can also turn it into a third one by just pulling it out. And moving into the bedroom, you've got the super comfy bed right out here. And most importantly, you've got the lovely balcony where you can see the amazing view of the Mediterranean Sea. This is one of the other rooms that we've got on offer, which is a double standard room, and it's fully wheelchair accessible. Did you know that we've got a TUI Kids Club for 7 to 12-year-olds and Bamsi Club for 3 to 6? And we run our sessions in the morning and in the afternoon, 6 days a week. And for an additional payment, you can also book our evening parties as well as baby club sessions. We are right here down by the beach, and now I'm going to introduce you to one of my TUI Childcare team members, Christie. Hi, Christie.
Hi Ville, here at Kids Club we offer a range of activities. We do some arts and crafts, we go outside. Each day's a different theme, so we might be pirates, we might be circus. We love to dress up here and set the scene. All of our childcare staff have been through TUI training, and quite a few have extra childcare qualifications, but also first aid trained.
Obviously, right next to the pool, you will find our pool bar serving all kinds of cocktails and refreshments from 10 AM till midnight. And my personal favorite one is the vanilla ice latte. Cheers. Fresh and Cold is on the poolside, open from 10 AM till midnight, and this is where you can get local beers, wines, cocktails, soft drinks, and most importantly, free ice cream. Feeling parched after slides, come over to the splash bar and get a cold refreshment. If you have missed the buffet or just want to get another bite, come over here to the snack bar, which is located directly by the poolside, and it's open from 11 a.m. to 5 o'clock. And you will be able to get pizza, chips, burgers, and wraps over here, so you will never be hungry during your stay. All of our BLUEf classes take place either in the main pool or here on the fitness platform. You may book and find all the activities directly through the Blue app, which include aquahead, Pilates, and yoga. At TUI BLUE Pascha Bay, we've got so many different sports activities, and here you can play water polo, darts, shuffleboard, mini golf, football, tennis, basketball, table tennis, and many more. Down from the pool bar, you will find our spa, which is open every day from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. And this is where you can book and pay for any treatments directly at the spa reception. Treatments include Turkish bath, adventure shower, salt room, ice room, steam room, and sauna. Right next to the spa, we also have the gym, which is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. and it's fully air conditioned. We've got loads of different equipment here, so you can burn off all of that, or you can eat buffet and keep fit on your holiday. At TUI BLUE Pascha Bay, we host loads of entertainment for all the family. There is something for everyone. We've got, for example, mini disco, local acts, and also Christie's. And make sure you come catch our team show. You will see a familiar face there. Our hotel, TUI BLUE Pascha Bay for families, is located in a local village called Conakry, which is roughly 2 hours away from Antalya airport and 20 minutes from our nearest town called Alanya. And don't you worry about the 2-hour transfer journey, because our hotel is located conveniently directly on the beach, so you can make the most of your stay here at TUI BLUE Pascha Bay. Welcome to our hotel beach, which you will be able to find as long as you make your way down from anywhere from the hotel. Our beach is fully accessible, so we've got all needs catered for, and we've got sun wheelchairs, and we also have ramps going down to the beach. On top of that, we also have free sunbeds here on the beachfront, as well as these absolutely lovely private gazebos, which you may book directly through the Blue app. My pro tip: the ultimate way to unwind is to make your way down to the pier, listen to the waves, and watch the sun go down. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to meeting you, and please don't forget to come say hi.